Welcome to Foxtecc. If you've ever wondered whether you can use WhatsApp without a phone number, the short answer is no, not completely. WhatsApp is designed around phone numbers, meaning you need one to create an account and verify it. However, if you don't have a regular mobile number, there are a few workarounds that might help. A phone number is required when setting up WhatsApp. When you first install the app, it asks for a number to send a verification code via SMS. Without entering a valid number and confirming it, you won't be able to create an account. WhatsApp uses this as the primary way to identify users, unlike other messaging apps that might let you sign up with an email. If you don't have an active phone number, one option is to use a virtual number. Services like Google Voice or TextNow can provide temporary or internet-based numbers that can receive texts, including the WhatsApp verification code. This can be useful if you don't have a SIM card or prefer not to use your personal number. However, not all virtual numbers work with WhatsApp, so it may take some trial and error. Another option is to use an old SIM card. Even if it's no longer active for calls or data, it might still be able to receive SMS messages. If the number is still capable of getting a verification text, you can use it to set up WhatsApp. Once verified, WhatsApp doesn't require the SIM to stay in your phone. You can keep using the app as long as you don't log out or reinstall it. If you were hoping to use WhatsApp Web without a phone, unfortunately, that won't work. WhatsApp Web is just an extension of your phone's app, meaning it needs an already active WhatsApp account. You have to scan a QR code from your phone to link it, and the phone must stay connected to the internet for WhatsApp Web to function. That's how WhatsApp handles phone numbers and what you can do if you don't have one. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.